Hello, friends. Franklin Green here, your trusty guide to all things finance and investing. Welcome back to the Money Frog. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to open an investment account in 2025. Whether you're a first-time investor or looking to expand your financial portfolio, I'll break it all down so you can leap into the world of investing with confidence. Let's get started. Why open an investment account? An investment account isn't just for the wealthy. It's a tool anyone can use to grow their money over time. Unlike a savings account, an investment account allows your money to work for you through stocks, bonds, ETFs, and more. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow thanks to the magic of compounding returns. So, why wait? Types of investment accounts. There are several types of accounts to choose from, depending on your goals. Brokerage account, a flexible option for buying and selling investments. Retirement account, such as an IRA or 401k, designed for long-term saving with tax advantages. Robo-advisor, account a low-cost, automated option perfect for beginners. Research your options to find the one that best suits your financial goals and needs. Choose a trusted brokerage. Picking the right brokerage is crucial. Look for a platform with low fees to maximize your returns. User-friendly interface, especially important for beginners. Strong customer support, so you can get help when needed. Educational resources, to help you learn as you go. Popular options include Vanguard, Fidelity, Robinhood, and Charles Schwab, but make sure to compare features and fees to find your perfect fit. Gather your documents before you start. Gather the necessary documents to streamline the process. Government-issued ID, passport or driver's license, Social Security number or taxpayer identification number. Bank account information for funding your investment account. Having these ready will save you time and make the process smooth. Open and fund your account. Once you've chosen a brokerage, opening an account is as simple as filling out an online form. Provide your details, verify your identity, and link your bank account. Start funding your account with an amount you're comfortable with. Some platforms allow you to begin with as little as $1, while others may have minimum deposit requirements. Start investing. Now the fun begins. Once your account is set up and funded, define your goals. Are you saving for retirement, a big purchase, or long-term growth? Build your portfolio. Diversify with a mix of stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Stay consistent. Regular contributions, even small ones, can make a big difference over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and stick to your plan. Here are Franklin's golden tips for opening an investment account. Start small if you're new to investing. Every dollar counts. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify to reduce risk. Automate your investments to stay consistent and grow your wealth. Keep learning, read books, watch tutorials, and stay informed about the market. With these tips, you'll be ready to leap confidently into the world of investing. And that's it, folks. Opening an investment account in 2025 is easier than ever. And it's a crucial step in building your financial future. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Money Frog and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Are you ready to start your investment journey? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep hopping toward financial success.